Okay, today we have a Southwestern Industries TRL 1745P flatbed teach CNC lathe. Serial number 99-7499. It's equipped with a manually indexing turret, tailstock. Spindle's currently running at 40 RPM, the lowest speed. We're going to shift. It's a different range, so you can hear some other speeds. That's 425. And you have that's 1150. Again, one of the higher speeds. Top speed's 2200 RPM. You have your electronic hand wheels. Here you also have jog handle. The machine is equipped with a Trak LX2 control. Machine has coolant. Tailstock. Moves nice and free. And that's about it. Thanks for watching the video.